guys, how you doing? I'm doing pretty good after a morning of hit and misses and stuff like that, but I'm doing pretty good. So, you might ask, why do I have a bag of um white chocolate kisses and two bags of, um, or two Hershey bars in a pan of water? Well, okay, today we're going to make caramel apples on a budget, and senior friendly, okay? That was my goal for this today. Okay, that's starting to melt. Okay. Anywho, a lot of us can't afford to go out and buy those fancy schmancy big caramel apples, and a lot of us don't need to be eating that much. So what I come up with is I was going to try and do a simpler caramel apple in the van, and I thought, you know, I don't know whether that's going to work or not. So I tried it and it bombed. So I thought, oh my God, you're so silly. Why don't you just do this? So what I did was I went to the dollar store. I got a little pack of this white chocolate kisses. I got some Hershey things. I got, where the hell are the nuts? Okay. I got some cashews because my teeth aren't that great. Y'all know that. I was going to try an apple, but I'll tell you about that later. So I went to McDonald's and got one of their apples from the kids' meal. And it already comes cut up and peeled. Well, that's a wonderful thing. Then I had gotten one of these packs of caramel dip old-fashioned caramel dip for apples. So, what I thought I would do, okay, let me change this over here. The stove is not on, but I am going to move it anyway. Don't worry, guys, it's not hot. Okay. So what I'm going to do is, where's the caramel? Okay. Got my caramel in, or got my apples in the container here. And I believe McDonald's dips them in lemon so they don't get brown really quick. So, okay, cooperate with me there. It's hardened up a little bit. Just spread it on the apples. You know what? I think maybe I'll try a couple with peanut butter instead of the caramel, because there's a lot of people that can't eat all that sugar, you know, being diabetic and all that stuff. Excuse the fingers, I'm the only one that's eating this, so, So, do that. Get my handy dandy little peanut butter out here. My little knife doesn't want to work. I can't find my camping knife. I put it up for safety. Well, apparently it's safety for me. So, got my peanut butter. I'm just going to dab a little on here. Okay. Now this is my crunchy peanut butter, so it already has nuts in it. Now, what I'm going to do is Open up the pack of Hershey's chocolate. You don't need much. Especially since, you know, Halloween and all that candy and stuff, you should be able to get these on sale at Walgreens. The Hershey Kisses and stuff on sale at Walgreens for like nothing the day after Halloween or whatever, and so you can do it that way. I like a lot of chocolate. So, and then if you're a white chocolate fan, which I'm not, but for the sake of the video and what I won't do for you guys, now this is cookies and cream, but you don't have to have the cookies and cream. Just do that on there. Where's the nuts? Get them out. Now you can do with or without nuts. You know, you don't have to go crazy. Oh my God. Oh, here's my sensors. Yay! All right. If you want nuts on them, you know, I am doing the cashew thing because of my teeth. You do whatever nut you like. Or if you don't like nuts, you know, just do this. So there. You have your handy dandy little caramel apple bites. So when I get back, I will show you or talk to you a little bit, but right now I am not presentable. It's scary. So let me get straightened up and I'll be back. I'll get these and I'll be back. Whew. Hi, how you doing? I'm good. I got all straightened up and everything and made the second part of the video, no sound. I think I should just find a shady spot today and just like do nothing. Because so many things have gone wrong. Okay, the apple deal. I got a whole apple. I tried to cut it with one of my little plastic knives. Well, that didn't work out too well. So then I had to go find another apple. And then I'm thinking, okay, I need a knife. So I was looking for my pocket knife, which I had put up for safekeeping, and it worked. So I thought, oh, God, what am I going to do? So I thought, oh, I'll go to McDonald's. McDonald's has the apple things in their Happy Meals. So I went and bought one of them for 59 cents. And I noticed, oh my gosh, they're not only peeled, or they're not only cut up, but they're peeled. Perfect. You know, because I have a hard time eating the peeling of an apple. I always have. I don't know what the problem is. But even when I was a kid, I always had trouble with the peel. Hi, honey. Hi. Hi. Yeah, I know. What? What? You cannot chase those birds. So anyway, we got the apple done, got that figured out. The first time I tried to actually cook the caramel that I had gotten, no bueno. So I'm thinking, what can I do? And I'm thinking, oh, all right. What I'll do is I'll put the apple slices after I get the paper towel and wipe them off. I have some caramel dip in there that I had bought a while back. And who doesn't like the old-fashioned caramel dip? So I got that. I wiped the apples. Then I poured it, well, you saw I poured it on. And then with the Hershey thing, you can hold that in the palm of your hand for a couple minutes if you want to, and it'll be soft enough where you can squeeze it out. You know, if you snip the end of the package, you can squeeze it out. Not so for the candy kisses. They're kind of harder to do that. But you can put them in a Ziploc baggie and throw them in some hot water. That's basically what I did, okay? Cut the tip off and squeeze it out. Well, you missed me trying the apples. Maybe, no, I'd already deleted it. Daggone it. I tried them, and oh my God, they are so good. Can you see it? Oh my God. They are so good. I didn't put them in the cooler yet. They are good. This would be like the peanut butter ones. Doesn't taste much different than the caramel ones. You know, peanut butter and apple just tastes like, heaven. So if you're diabetic, maybe the peanut butter would be a little better for you. I mean, I don't know much about being diabetic, but would one piece of candy hurt, or one little apple slice hurt? At least you could get the taste, But it's better than a whole great big old apple staring you at the face going, ooh, come on, you know you want me. But they are so good. They turned out really good. I am a happy camper. Literally. So, I'm sure there's a lot I left out. If you have any questions, just comment below. I'm thinking about another kind of candy that would just be absolutely fantastic, and I might do that one tomorrow. It's not near as time consuming or anything, so yeah, I'm going for it. I figured up the caramel apple bites that I made cost me $3.50, and I only ended up using 2 kisses out of that whole bag, and 2 of the little bitty Hershey bars. I have a lot left over. I have enough to make, gosh, what, 5 or 6 more batches if I'm really needing a sweet tooth thing, having a moment there. Yeah, I think it's good for senior. A lot of us go to McDonald's have a Happy Meal. Number one, we can afford it, and number two, a lot of people don't eat more than what a Happy Meal comes with, So I figure you're getting 2 things at once. You're getting the Happy Meal and apple for later. So, I'm rambling. Anywho, that's my story. I'm sticking to it. So, Take it easy. Take the long way home, man. Woo-hoo.